Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 27th of September, 2016. Slow session to start the week on Monday. We'll look at the intraday action here in a moment. We did gap first, so it looks like the market was down quite a bit, but a big piece of it was the gap. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. So we're still in the 13 sell signal mode from two and a half weeks ago now. We've not gotten back above that pink risk line. We've also not gotten down to the red general target line. Let's go through our major indices that we like to follow. Crude oil up $1.45 to 45.93 for the close. YG, this is the gold contract, basically dead flat for 3 days in a row here. S&P cash index lost 18.59. Again, a lot of it was a gap, as you'll see. NDX was down 41.74, coming back off of the highs it set back on Thursday. The SOX down 7.95, back to the 10-day moving average. The biotechs, you recall, had a 13 sell signal the other day, and they came down 40 points with the market here. VIX was back up 221 to 1450. The trend closing at 1.22, leaving the 10-day moving average at 1.39. NASDAQ volume 1.5 billion shares. That's the latest in a couple weeks. Could be that people were waiting for this debate tonight. We'll see what happens. I'm recording this before the debate occurs, even though this is Tuesday's preview, and a lot of people waiting to see maybe what's going on there. Here's a look at the advanced decline ratio on NASDAQ, literally negative 1502, one of the more negative breath days of the year. Advanced decline on the New York, negative 1315. Google lost $12.30. Apple got 17 cents. Gained 17 cents to the upside. Amazon down 6.59. Netflix down $1.38. That's about it. Let's look at the intraday action. So here's where you can see what really happened. So we gapped down. The first hour was pretty flat, hour and a half, but we sort of established the range within 15 minutes, and then remember these are 10-minute candles. Let's get a 5-minute candle. It's a better way to look at this. So there's your gap down, and then after over lunch we kind of drifted a little lower, but then look at the last 2.5 hours, just absolutely dead flat. NASDAQ was even flatter for the whole day, basically established the entire range of the day in the first 15 minutes. So not much trading activity when that happens. Not much you can do about it. That's fine. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We'll be post this debate. We have Case-Shiller 20-City Index at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. That's a housing number. We have consumer confidence 30 minutes into the stock market. Hopefully things pick up a bit. Remember, Friday is end of month, end of quarter, so it's unlikely that's going to be a very interesting day. We need to get it done here in the middle of the week. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal 12. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.